In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete files in Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful if your Google Drive is starting to look cluttered, or if you simply need to free up some space. Whether you're managing tons of documents, photos, or other files, being able to delete multiple items at once is a huge time saver. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Google Drive login page. You can do this with a simple search on Google or by directly visiting drive.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're logged into the one where your files are stored. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Drive page. This is where all your files and folders reside. Now, to effectively delete multiple files at once, you'll need to select them. Here's a handy tip. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard if you're on a PC or the Command key if you're using a Mac. While pressing this key, click on each file you want to delete. This method allows you to select multiple files without losing any previous selections. After you've selected all the files you'd like to delete, the next step is to right-click on any one of those selected files. A menu will appear, displaying several options. This is where you can manage your files. In this context, our focus will be on deleting those files. Look for the option that says Move to Trash. Click on it, and Google Drive will move all your selected files to the trash. Once your files are in the trash, they remain there for 30 days before Google deletes them permanently. If you want to free up space immediately, you can go into the Trash folder and select Empty Trash. But remember, after doing this, you won't be able to recover the files. So make sure you're entirely certain you want them gone for good. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to bulk delete files in Google Drive. The process is straightforward, but very effective. A tidy Google Drive not only helps you find what you need faster, but also ensures you're not running out of space for storing new files. If you frequently work with Google Drive, mastering these kinds of time-saving techniques can make a big difference in your productivity. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your